Is EarnCashTo really an easy and fast way to make money online, and can you really earn $250 already today? My name is Michael, and I have decided to test this platform here after having received a lot of questions about it. And in this EarnCashTo review, I'll give you an inside look, and let me just reveal right away, there's some very important things that you're not told about before you join, and you need to consider this before investing any time here, because it sounds very appealing at first, but you need to know all these details before investing any time for sure. So let me just get right to it. EarnCashTo here claims that you can make $250 already today, and you will get $25 just for signing up here. And once you actually log in, you will see these $25 here in your account, and you will see earnings growing in your account if you do offers here. But that does not necessarily mean it will be worth it. It definitely looks very appealing at first. But what you really need to know is, of course, if you can then take these earnings out, and what you need to do to potentially earn. You can join from any country, and you can supposedly earn from any country, but will you really get paid, and will it really be worth it? That is the question I will look into here, and I will show you some untold details that they actually do not want you to know, but you need to know this. So let's just log in and then start by showing how you supposedly can earn. So I have now logged into EarnCashTo, and it definitely seems appealing at first because it promises some great rewards. You can see they have an offer center, and this is where you can find different ways to earn. And how many options there will vary from time to time and from country to country. But you can see right now here I have something called surveys, and then I can get paid for voicing my opinion. That is how paid surveys work. And there are a lot of really great sites you can join to earn by sharing your opinion. But this is not really one of them. Let me just reveal that right away. Because here, for example, they say that I can earn almost $37 just by taking this survey here. However, when you then click, you're just redirected to a service site, in this case here, and that is not a service site where you will get anything near to $37 for a survey. You will very rarely find a survey that pays that high, because that is only very, very specialized surveys where you will find high rewards, and they will be very rare. Usually you can expect somewhere between maybe 50 cents and in some cases maybe, if you're lucky, up to $5 for a survey. And this is in itself really a big warning sign that they just redirect you to that service site, and they get paid for sending us there and for us taking surveys. And you will likely also see this money here going into your EarnCashTo account here. And this one here, where you can sign up for a game or download a game, there's nothing to do with surveys, and they still placed it here. So already here, there are some red flags with these earning claims. But that's of course not enough to decide whether it actually will pay us or if it will be worth it. So let's go over one more earning method here and how you can get paid, and then some more very important details you need to be aware of. So inside they also have what they call an invite center. And this is a big part of EarnCashTo because they want us to go and invite other people here. And a part of that is to use this invite center where we can connect our Instagram account. You can see here, you need to fill out different things and connect it. And you can do that with Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, and WhatsApp. And you can also do these social media posts where you can post a specific video on YouTube with a specific description. And that's why you might actually see positive videos about EarnCashTo here on YouTube, because people think that they will actually get paid to do that, but more about if you actually will a little bit later. But for now, let's just continue with this option here, because you can supposedly earn really nice money. You can earn $2 per click, as you can see here, and then $10 per person that signs up. And they want us to believe that they will pay $2 just for getting someone to click your link without any further demands, and that they will pay you $10 just to get someone to sign up here without them even having to actually do any offers or anything. This is just not realistic. I have used quite a lot of referral programs, and they will not just pay you $2 for a click. They would go bankrupt very quickly if they did that, and also if they paid $10 per sign up without any further requirements. So for that reason, I would definitely recommend you not to start sharing on social media, to not start promoting it, because yes, you will see these earnings go into your account here, but you will have to invite a lot of people. You will have to share your link with your friends and other people, and you will supposedly end up wasting their time also by inviting them here and by getting them to share it, because this is a part of how they want to get new members. They earn from us members to get us to take offers. But as I will show you now, the payout conditions are actually really ridiculous. And this is a huge red flag in itself, that they claim you can earn this much for inviting people. But when we then go over the payout methods, it becomes even worse. So let's now go over the EarnCashTo payment methods, because you can see here they have some requirements before you can cash out. You need to get 15 clicks. That means you need to get at least 15 people to click your invitation link. You need to get at least 5 people to join. You need to take at least 6 offers, and you need to share at least 5 social posts. That means that you need to go out and promote them on social media at least 5 times, and you need to invite people before you can get paid. And let me just reveal right away, I have tested hundreds of get paid to sites, and the sites that actually intend to pay you will not force you to go out and invite other people before you have actually been paid. First of all, it's just unethical. You go out and promote it on social media, sending links to your friend and tell them to come and join here, but you don't even know if they actually will pay you. And the reality is just that platforms that claims that you can earn this much for inviting people and that force you to invite others before you will get paid, they will just not really pay you, because the platforms that will pay you, they know that once you get paid, you will happily invite others. But here, they know that to keep getting members, they need to force you to invite other people to keep getting new members before you will find out that you will likely not get paid. And then you will, of course, not invite people. But at that time, you have already shared it 5 times on social media and invited at least 5 people and got a lot of clicks here also. So let me just make it clear once and for all here. Any platform that has it as a requirement that you need to invite a certain number of people before you can get paid is a platform to stay away from. I know there will be some people now sitting there and saying, yeah, but how can you know you didn't invite people? I know from experience, I have tested hundreds of platforms, and I have never seen a platform that actually will pay you, that will force you to invite other people before. And I have seen plenty of platforms with the exact same claims as EarnCashTo that are just created to get people to join and force them to invite others. And then eventually it would close down and open up a new platform with a new name and do the exact same thing. But I also understand you might still be skeptical. So let me just show you one more very important thing that will definitely reveal why you should be very careful about joining. But before going over that, I would appreciate if you could just take 1 second to like this video here, because it can help it to be seen by more people, and more people can therefore become aware of what you really expect, so they do not end up potentially wasting their time and other people's time by inviting other people. So I have now jumped to the EarnCashTo testimonial section, because you might go there and say, well, there are all these great testimonials. Why are you saying that I should not expect to get paid? So let's just go over a few of these. Let's take this guy here. You see this guy here, notice his face, notice the background here. He talks about how great a method EarnCashTo is and how much he's earned. But let me just show you something else then. I have now jumped to a freelance platform called Fiverr, where people sell testimonial. And look at this guy, look at the background, look at this guy, look at this background here. So the guy that has made this testimonial here is selling testimonials here for $15 here, where any company, any platform can ask him to say whatever they want about their platform. So you cannot trust this testimonial here. I have no idea how any person can actually do this here as a job, to just say whatever about any platform and make it look like legit, but that's, that's up to him. I think that's deeply unethical, but that's a whole nother thing. Now let's just focus on this, because this really shows that you cannot trust the testimonial. This is not the only fake testimonial. You see this guy here, this is another testimonial on EarnCashTo. And let's then jump here to Fiverr again, a freelance platform. He sells video testimonials for $5. Look at him here, the same glasses, the same shirt as if you go over here, the same glasses, the same shirt. It's the same guy. So this means that they are paying for these testimonials. So you cannot trust any of these people here. If it really was a way to make $250 per day and make hundreds of dollars per day and per week, as they claim in these videos here, do you think those people would sell testimonials on Fiverr for $5? This clearly shows that you cannot trust this. Any platform that buys fake testimonials is because they cannot actually get real testimonials, in my experience. And this is a huge red flag. And if you do not think that the other red flags I showed you were enough, then this definitely should convince you not to waste your time here. So if it's not clear by now, I do not recommend EarnCashTo. It is a complete waste of time. It has exaggerated earning claims, it has ridiculous payout conditions, and it uses fake testimonials. You will just be wasting your time, and you will also be wasting the time of the people that you will invite to join it. If you want to make money online, you need to do it realistically. There are plenty of free methods to earn by, for example, taking surveys as they have here and doing other small online micro tasks. But you will not just earn $250 today, and you will not earn as much per task as a platform like EarnCashTo actually claims. I will leave a link below to some of my top recommended legit paid service sites where you will earn realistic money. So if you're interested in earning that way, you can go there and check that out. And I will also leave a link to a video with different free, realistic methods to earn online, so you can read more about that. But you should in general stay away from a platform with this exaggerated earning claims. And when you then also find out that you're using fake testimonials, then it's for sure a platform to stay away from. And I hope this video helped you, and I hope it helped you so you would not actually end up wasting your time here. And if it did help you, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.